Okay, for those people saying they don't know what the pink app is, just look at your screen. From my phone, I'll take you to Play Store. That's if you're using an Android phone. I'll take you to Play Store, then we'll download the pink app together. So this is my phone. This is my Android phone. So I'm scrolling to Play Store. This is Play Store. Then you type, I already told you that the name of the app is Popo Life. But for security reasons, we call it Pink App. So Poppo Life. You see it? Popo Life. That is the app. This is the app. Nothing else. This is the app. So you just click install in your phone. I don't need to install it in this phone because I already have it in my other phone. Do you understand? So this is the app. You click on Popo Life and download it or install it in your phone. After downloading the app, when you log in, this is exactly what you are going to see. So you see where my arrow is facing, that thing that looks like a score, you click on it. Then it will take you to your profile page. This is your profile page. First of all, you click on that auth where I drew an arrow and wrote 1. You do your face authentication and bind your number. Then you come back and click on where I wrote 2. That place is called the reward. That's where you see all your daily activities. That's where you see all your tasks. So these are your tasks. You are expected to go live for 60 minutes and go live for 120 minutes. That's 2 hours. But instead of clicking on that one, I tagged 1. Click on the second one. That's 2 hours. If you click on the second one, that means you are going live for 2 hours straight. So you end up covering both the 1 hour and 2 hours at once. Do you understand? For any questions or anything, send me a DM or use the link on my bio to get to me.